I'm Ruby Mahal. I'm the Clinical Director of JDRM Dental Care. We have a group of 7 practices in Leicester, Leicestershire and Rutland. JDRM Dental Care has been a member of Dental Compliance Made Easier since 2017. I met Rajiv back then when we were starting to build the practices, and he supported us with our compliance needs right from the beginning. Dental Compliance Made Easier has helped us with our compliance with all sorts of different things. From the beginning, they helped us with our applications to CQC to support the practices being set up, right through to today with everything from our HR, making sure that we're compliant with different policies, updates as well that come through almost weekly and daily. They've helped our teams and our managers in terms of training them on how to use the portal, what compliance means. They've helped train some of our managers that have developed through JDRM Dental Care and those that are new that have joined us to understand the compliance around NHS dentistry. So they've really helped and supported us to help our teams to make sure our practices are compliant and safe for our patients and our team members as well. DCME have helped hugely with our CQC inspections over the practices. Having a CQC inspection can be quite a nerve-wracking experience, even when you feel prepared. Having a fresh pair of eyes on your practice is really useful. DCME have been amazing in that from the moment that I was alerted that we have an inspection upcoming, I'd be on the phone to DCME and they would then start the process of supporting us to be able to do that. So from my level as director, it was reassurance that they were going to be there to support my teams through that process, and they would then place people in positions to help my managers and team members to be able to get things done that they needed to do. But we're supported when we've had CQC inspections. So when we have had CQC inspections, they've normally given us a couple of weeks' notice, and so they've come and done audits with us to support us to know where we are and what work we would need to do to make sure that we're ready for inspection day. They were also hugely supportive when we had our DMA call recently at one of our practices, whereby they audited the practice online with our managers to understand what was needed to be able to make sure we were completely compliant for the day of the call, but also helped us to understand what it might be like, because that was something new that we hadn't experienced at JDRM Dental Care before. And so it was really useful to get some feedback from them of their experiences with other practices that they had supported through that process. The DCME compliance portal is really easy to use. We were with another compliance provider before and I found it to be hugely complicated and it felt like so much work. So when I met Rajiv and understood about his DCME compliance portal, that move was the best move that I'd made, and we don't look back. So the portal helps us to remain compliant on a day-to-day basis by making sure that the managers have access to all the information that they might need to help them to be compliant. So for example, they'll have up-to-date compliance policies around infection control or HR, recruitment, retention, all of those different areas, health and safety. And the policies are updated regularly, and there's alerts to our managers as well. So through the portal, we get alerts of updates that are happening. So it means that we're always sure that we are working to the most latest guidelines. I definitely recommend DCME Compliance Portal to other practices and other groups of practices as well. We've been using it for many, many years, and I found it to be such a massive benefit to the company. When we have different people coming in from different perspectives of our business, the compliance portal is the basis of what we're doing, and it's helped us in so many different areas as well.